Hey guys, welcome to Tech Chef. I'm TJ, and today I'll be unboxing the Sony MDR XB950BT. Wow, that was a mouthful. This is an oversized pair of earphones with an emphasis on bass from Sony. The front of the box displays the NFC and Bluetooth features of those headphones, which allows you to pair it effortlessly with your smart device. On the back, you have more of its features. You can pause and read it. Let's get this opened. First up, here is the headphones. Sony has set these up to use it wirelessly or via the 3.5mm headphone cable. So even when it has no battery power, you can still rock on with no worries. Just remember to bring the cable with you. Regarding the bass boost, these have plenty of bass, but when you enable the boost function, it takes it to a whole new level. This feature and these headphones overall are geared towards the bass enthusiast out there. Bear in mind, this option is only available when using the headphones wirelessly via the Bluetooth feature. The headphones has a good weight to them, and the ear cups have a matte finish. I love the red accents. The headband is a high quality aluminium with plenty of adjustment. The ear pads are super soft and do swivel, so it allows you to transport it easily. Let's take a look at the accessories. Here is a booklet and manual. And here is the audio cable as previously mentioned. There is a USB charging cable in the box as well. On the right side of the ear cups, you have the rewind, play, pause, and fast forward buttons. It also houses the volume buttons. On the left ear cup, you have the mic input, the aux cable, as well as the micro USB port to charge the headphones, a bass boost and power button as well. An also added feature is you are able to receive and make calls using the headphones. Pretty cool feature, very handy indeed. Guys, thanks for watching and I hope you enjoyed the video. Shout out to Az for letting me unbox this beast of a headphones. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button and let me know in the comments below what are your favorite pair of headphones.